Yeah, this shit's not too bad. Oh shit, I think we're supposed to make that left right there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, is it? Oh. Oh. This is actually really comfortable. And I'm talking about your bike. Oh. Oh yeah, those bumps, it's like, what bumps, huh? It's not? Oops. I know, I'll be like, what up YouTube? Logically Insane here. And today we just hit up ACH. Holy fuck. This is it? Okay. Oh, I keep looking down like, oh, I got mirrors. No, I don't have mirrors. Oh fuck, this is weird. Damn, this is fucking sick. I want it. I want it. I want your bike so bad. What up, YouTube? Undercover biker here, and today I'm on Logically Insane's motorcycle. It's crazy. This is kind of my first time on the super sport on the freeway, which is pretty cool. It's a lot different than my bike. My bike's more comfortable. This shit's more like, hey, I want to go fast. But this is fucking really cool. I want to say thank you, Logically Insane, for letting me ride your lovely machine. I appreciate you, brother. Logically, that shit's humor. I never seen anybody on my bike, so I'm kind of like tripping out right now. It's kind of funny. It's cool though. That's my brother, but another mother, pretty much. Oh, wow, this is crazy, man. I love it. I wish I had mirrors though. Your fucking mirrors, Logically Insane. I need some fucking mirrors. Fuck. It's kind of nice having a real windscreen. I'm not getting beat up in the face so much by this wind. The wind's fucking me up right now. Yeah. I know it's different spinning on that bike, huh? This is a lot easier on your bike though. Yeah. Red bomb. Red bomb. Red bomb. That's your first red bomb. You're welcome. That shit sounded good as fuck though. Yeah. Yeah. Damn, maybe we should have took the fucking 5. This a bullshit. Mexico, Mexico, Mexico. That was crazy though. When I went past you, that shit was like, meow. I was like, holy shit. Made it? Okay. Oh yeah, I love that shit. Shit, we can switch here right now if you want. Oh no. We could. You want to do it right now? Go. Oh. It's all good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, right here is good. Yeah. Yo, fuck is that pup? No, it's not gonna fall. No, this is, oh fuck. It will fall. What the fuck? What the fuck is that about? I don't fucking know. You got it? There you go. Oh fuck. Now I gotta cut across traffic and fucking go back that way. And you gotta do the same shit. Oh fuck. That shit was fucking hella fun though. Yeah, okay. Hell yeah. I think you enjoyed mine more than I enjoyed yours though. Yeah, dude, I actually did enjoy it. That's just fucking, that's just like riding on a fucking fast couch, huh?
Yeah, dude, that shit was fucking awesome. It's just like laid back. I didn't even care about the back thing that I was having when I got on your bike.
I know, I'm telling you, this shit's fucking comfy.
Yeah, thanks man for letting me know.
Hell yeah, thank you for letting me ride your shit. Can I get in front of you? Can I get in front of you? Thank you. Oh, it didn't? Did the later, brother. You too. I told you. Damn, this is different.